Yeah, we will continue Namaskara teaching. So before giving a talk, we will pay respect to Buddha, the owner of the Dhamma, by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. We are talking about Buddha's 10 types of knowledge. Until number 3, we finished. So, number 4 is Aneka Dhatu, Nana Dhatu, Loka Jnana. Aneka Dhatu is many elements. Nana Dhatu is different elements of the world. So, the Buddha can know many and different elements of the world. So people's elements also the Buddha know. Which one have which element more? Not only people, also non-living things like trees or plants. About those dhatu, about those elements, also the Buddha knew. It is different from Pacheka Buddha, different from Eka Sawaka. Pacheka Buddha and Eka Sawaka, only they know the person's elements, like a rupa, nama, cause and effect, they may know. But about the trees, they will not know. About the non-living things, they will not know much. For the Buddha, so for example, this tree have a white color. In the tree trunk, have a white color. It is because of which element? Or this is a black because of which element? Like that. Some are thick bark, some are thinner bark, thinner bark. It is because of which element? In the same way, flowers, yellow, red, black, because of which element? Some tree have a thorn, some tree not have a thorn. Fruit big and small, or round and square, long or short, because of which element? So every element the Buddha know that, but he will not teach all, although he know that, because some are not for disenchantment, not for attainment. If something is not beneficial, especially for the attainment, the Buddha will not teach all, but he know all. So nowadays people learn many things about these things. Why leaves are become yellow? Why leaves are becoming green? So people nowadays they can learn. But the Buddha, long time ago, it is mentioned. So why they have a dawn? Why they don't have a dawn? So just the Buddha told hints. Hints. These are based on elements. So this kind of knowing is called Neka Dhatu, Nana Dhatu, Loka Jnana. About the world, different elements, and the Buddha know that. So in the same way for the people, some people have a lot of faith, less wisdom. Some people a lot of wisdom, less faith. Or some have a lot of viriya, no faith, etc. So people also have different elements. So how many rupa, how many nama? So about the Brahma, Deva, so Buddha and Buddha's disciples, Vajika Buddha, they can know that. Okay. Next one is Nana Dimodika Jnana. Nana Dimodika is different attention, more different inclination, knowing in different inclination. So generally, Sama Hina Dimodika. Hina Dimodika is a low inclination. Sama Panita Dimodika, high inclination. So what is a low inclination? Low inclination is some people wish to enjoy sensualities. Some people wish to be free from sensualities. It is a Panita Dimodika. Yeah, people in the world, some are finding sensualities. Some are trying to be away from sensualities. Like that, you come here and practice. So sometimes not much, not sensualities. So like that, have to associate with the mosquito. Mosquito is your friend. So like that, some have a higher inclination. So Bodhisattva or the Buddha, they're trying to go to renunciation. They're trying to have a seclusion. Don't want to meet the people. So if people go this way, they will go the other way. So they're trying to approach a seclusion. So they're trying to stay away from sensualities in the mind and bodily. If you want to be away from bodily, you should go to Himalaya. So Himalaya is special land to be away from bodily. But Himalaya nowadays maybe better than here. Here, electricity out, internet out, there may not be. They have a stable electricity, stable internet. So maybe here more than Himalaya. So, but physically, historically, Himalaya is the most seclusion. Yeah, sometimes a Bodhisattva renunciates to Himalaya. So Yasodhara, he's a queen. Go to the just royal garden to practice. And they fulfill in this way. If a Bodhisattva is in a palace, they will stay together. When a Bodhisattva go to renunciation, and sometimes Yasodhara do be go to the royal garden as a ascetic. So like that. It is a bodily renunciation. Mentally renunciation is having in jhana. If you have jhana, your object is only Pratipakka Nimitta. It is away from sensuality. You are enjoying that. just in the mind, not seeing, not listening, not smelling, not eating, not touching. So it is mentally away from sensuality. So yeah, Hinadimodika, low inclination means wish to enjoy sensualities. Wish to stay with the people or family, normal life. And so about that, they may think very great. They may talk about the car, house, properties, or things. So it is a low inclination among practitioners. If someone want to be away from sensualities, talking about uh, renunciation, seclusion, staying alone, about the jhana, mega, phala. So they are talking a lot about this. It is better inclination, panita dimodika. So the Buddha knew, when the Buddha see people, so the Buddha knew that who has a low inclination, who has a higher inclination, the Buddha know. So some people, practicing meditation, staying in the monastery is because of problems in life. They think in this way. If someone not have a problem, should not go there. So they are thinking in this way. Because they think staying in a house, staying with the sensuality is great. So low inclination means wishing to enjoy sensuality, wishing to harm other people, wishing to control other people, like that. Some armies in a country, if they can fight different country, so they think they are very great. So they can win any battle. They think it is a very great. They proud about that. It is a low inclination. If someone want to be away from sensuality, instead of wishing to harm other people, wishing to help other people, so it is a higher inclination. Next one, number 6. Indriya Propriyati Jnana. The knowledge, knowing the maturity of Indriya. Indriya means Saddha Indriya, Viriya Indriya, Saddha Indriya, Samadha Indriya, Panya Indriya, etc. So some people are mature. Some people are not yet mature. So about the Saddha, not much. Have a small Saddha. So they don't want to pay respect to Buddha. They don't want to go to chanting. They don't want to go to meditation. They don't want to listen to Dhamma talk. They don't want to do Dhamma discussion. So some people cannot sit like such long because they have less faith. So in the same way, faith, effort also different. Among bhikkhus, some monasteries can recite the Patimokkha all. Some they do short form, Short form. Some are totally don't do. Totally don't do. Where is the Patimokha? Yeah, they want to know. Yeah, they may learn for the exam, but they didn't do it. So, yeah, people's faith is different. People's effort is different. So, in the same way, concentration, some people can only sit one-on-one. Yeah, like a one-on-one is like a one eon. Some people are one-on-one is too short. They want to do 4-on-1, 5-on-1, like that. So it is different. Concentration also different. So mindfulness also different. Some people can stay with the object all the time, whether standing, walking, lying down. They are okay. They can stay with their object. They remember all the time. But some are not like that. So to approach the object, some people have to go here and there. Cannot go directly. Yeah, I need to relax my body fast. Yeah. So yeah, some are metta own self, metta other people. So because some people they're afraid to go to here. So they have to go surrounding. Yeah, after some time only they can come. So yeah, remembering the object is different. So sati is different. So some are mature. If mature, yeah, we can do everything. We can control our mind. Even not yet mature. So even don't want to listen, don't want to come to monastery, like that. So the Buddha knows that Indriya mature or not. If someone is mature, then the Buddha will go and teach. Will go and teach. Even not yet mature, just waiting. Waiting. When while he listen my teaching, the Buddha is waiting. So it is called Indriya Prapariyati. Another one is knowing people's ejasya. Ejasya is one thing is people's bad attitude, bad side. It is anusaya. Anusaya is an underlying tendency. Some people are kamaraga anusaya. A lot of kamaraga want to enjoy sensualities. So they don't want to stay in a poor condition. They want to enjoy this and that. So the one lady here to now this monastery, from time to time, she said, I cannot feel going to Bainabada in the village. So she cannot stand about that. So if no need to go to Bainabada, only if he can eat here, it is okay. I'm going in Bainabada, if have to eat, I cannot stand like that. So also don't want to hear about the death or aging. So want to see beautiful things and want to hear beautiful sound. So may practice the Bodhanusati because the Bodha's qualities are good. but I don't want to think about the asubha and that. So, like that. So, some their inclinations are different. They want to see only good things. So we can say that good side is he may have a faith. Bad side is greedy type. So it is a kama raga nusya. Underlying tendency is wishing to enjoy sensualities. So sama bhavaraga nusya. Bhavaraga nusya is attaching into the Brahman life, attaching into the jhana. So it is a bhavaraga nusya. Sama mana nusya. A lot of conceit. So you cannot press it down. Once you press it down, so their mana come out. So this is their underlying tendency. Sama daita nusya, wrong view. Want to go to wrong view. They don't want to think that there is a next life, there is a good and bad, and there is a dynamics. They don't want to think. They think a different way. So not have a good and bad. If you want to do, just do. Or life is short. Something like that. So it is a data nusya. Sama vichikecha nusya, a lot of doubt. So yeah, you practice the 4 elements, you see klapa. So other time they see, but they still asking, it is my imagination or really seeing? And some you practice here, anapana, later you will see the light. So after having some concentration, they see the light. So it is seeing the light or someone using torchlight, they open eye, something like that. So they have a lot of doubts. So always go back and check. So some people have a lot of ignorance, avijja. So if we explain about the rupa, nama, so their mind cannot go. Just saying. This is a bandage saying like that. So their mind will not go penetratively. So a lot of avijja. So this is an underlying tendency. So if we know that, we can teach a proper Dhamma. So for the Buddha, you know, this one is which type. So for the normal people, we just guess. And by listening and talking carefully, by listening in Gananga, and seeing a way of doing, we may know something a bit. If ourselves, for the practitioner, may know. So in which case, I can be patient. In which case, I cannot be patient. So if you notice yourself, it is good. So you may know yourself, what kind of person you are. So for the other people, to know other people not so easy. But knowledgeable people, by associating, we may guess. So if you can guess correctly, you can help with the Dhamma, with the proper teaching. So Yeah, this is knowing Anusya. Next one is Asaya. Asaya. Oh, okay. So Asaya is you are staying in place. Staying in place. For example, if we have a free time, where our mind go to? Where our mind go to? So yeah, now you are listening in Dhamma talk, so you may listen. But once you are free, where your mind go to? Your mind's home. Homes are like that. If you have a job, so you may go out. If you don't have a job, so you come back and you are home and you rest. In the same way for the mind. So if we have a job, so we will do. If we don't have a jobs, where our mind go to? So it is asaya. So some are good condition and some are not good condition. So good condition means we would jasaya, wishing to get liberation. Once your mind is free, yeah, from time to time you may think in this way, yeah, one day I will go to meditation center. One day I will try to get a jhana, mega, phala, like that. It is an inclination, a kind of ijasya, a kind of staying in place of the mind. So some people have this mind. So it is asaya, go asaya. And some are different. Some people's minds are like that. When I will have a car, when I will have a very big house, something like that. When can I stay? Which place? So they are longing for in the mind. So it is Vodda Jasya, wishing to get Vodda, Sankala Riba. So it is a different. So it is called people's asaya. So may say good underlying tendency. Good underlying tendency. So because of this, now we should prepare for the future to be good inclination. So we need to practice vipassana, jhana, samatha vipassana to have a good inclination. For example, Bodhisattva, when he was a king, so he opened northern side window. By opening northern side window, he trying to see Himalaya. Because at that time maybe Varanasi. So in India, so northern side have a Himalaya. So he inclined, when can I ordain? After ordaining, when can I go for alms food? Under the 7-day raining. And he want to go. He is a king, but he want to go for alms food. Under the 7-day continuous rain, not just a 1-day rain. So normally, even going for Vinapada, it is not so easy for everyone. Like the lady Donna, he cannot stand, she cannot stand. And to ask something by standing in front of other people's house. So he don't want to go there. But the Bodhisattva's inclination is different. He want to go to Forbanapada, even another rain, 7-day rain. So, because it is their tradition, Bodhisattva's tradition, the Buddha's tradition. When the Buddha went to Kapila Vatu, his hometown, first time, instead of going to palace, he went to city for alms food. At that time, someone report, King Saudodana, oh, your son is going to begging, going in for begging, asking him food in the city. At that time, King Saudodana get up quickly and follow to his son. Why you don't come into my palace? So do you think I cannot offer to you for the food? Why you are doing it in this way? Because he is very shameful. His son is asking him food by standing in other people's house. So at that time, the Buddha said, this is our tradition. No, your tradition. Your grandfather, your ancestors never asked in this way. No, that the tradition I mean. All previous Buddhas are going in this way, asking him food from the people. It is our tradition, like that. Although he is a king in a palace, he is longing for renunciation, longing for ordination. When can I stay alone, admonishing myself? When can I go to forest? When can I go to Banapada? So opening northern window, he is longing for. So this is a people's inclination. So it is different. Everyone may have this kind of underlying tendency, but people are different. So it is called asaya or swakara, dwakara, etc. Good way to think, better way to think. So another thing is su vinyapaya, do vinyapaya. Su vinyapaya is easy to know. Someone easy to know. Easy to know means have saddha, have panya. Have saddha, have panya. This is a suvinyapaya, easy to know. And duvinyapaya is difficult to know. It means less faith, less panya. So for meditation, these two factors are important. And some people, we explain, some are not believe. So you must practice here, stay here. But they're still thinking, maybe want to be far. So they believe in this way. Yeah, we explain, but his mind a bit reject. So because of reject, cannot approach here. Because he's believing in something another. And so something else. So in the same way, so yeah, you practice the four elements inside the body, in your body, and so they see differently. They just stay in the body, or they may stay in the light, instead of thinking elements. So some they come to they practice in the other meditation center. They have learned, they have some good condition. So after that they come here, we teach. Yeah, for them it is something new. So they know your belief. Yeah, they go back. If not go, come back here. If not go here, go back again, like that. So because of their believing is, they not believe fully here. They're still believing in some other things. So if so become difficult, the mind will not go deeply because they don't believe fully. So because of this, yeah, teaching need to be correct. So you need to believe in it. So, but if the teaching is not correct, if you believe, it is not mean saddha. It is a wrong decision. Saddha means believing correct things. So the teaching must be correct. You must believe. If so, it is okay. The mind will work, and the mind will know easily. So yeah, one factor is saddha. Yeah, you need to be lucky, or you need to be knowledgeable to decide what is good or bad. So knowledgeable person, after listening others' speech, after listening others' reports, so they can decide it is reasonable or not. So it is believable or not. So generally they can decide. Some are not knowledgeable, but luckily they find the correct one. They just believe. They don't much investigation. They don't know how to do investigation, and just believe. But luckily, they have met correct one. It is also okay. So because of correct one he met, he believed, it is okay. But if unlucky, if he met something wrong teaching, he believed, it will be problem. So to have a correct one, you need to be lucky, or you need to be knowledgeable. So, but believing in right thing is it is good. So you must learn correct one. You must believe what you are doing. If so, it will work. Because of this meditation, if you have doubts, you should clear. You make a question. After being clear, you should do. You should believe what you are doing. So, yeah, you practice the four elements. You find the small particles. So you accept. If you didn't accept, is it my imagination or not? And we're trying to see, oh, no klapa. So if so, all klapas are disappear. So, because if you have doubt, the mind will not work. It is very subtle. So you have to go with the faith and with the wisdom. So just wisdom, no faith cannot go. Just faith, no wisdom, it is also cannot go. So do be easy to know. So you must have faith. So another factor is you must have wisdom. So some people, we explain, their mind cannot reach to elements. So some people can only learn normal things, like how to cook, how to eat, how to do normal jobs. If something is a bit deep, slightly different, and they cannot differentiate. So their mind cannot go. So people's knowledge is different. So some people need to train, need to explain a few times. Some people just you say one time, they understand, their mind become clear. So it is different. So among students, if we explain, some more people can understand just one time. A few people after a few times. Another few people maybe another times. So some more people, so will not understand. If so, you may teach normal things. Yeah, you may teach just normal things. So if you go deeply, you will be tired. Your disciple also will be tired. So in the Buddha time, Bande Sunakata, Bande Sunakata, the Buddha teach Deva Chakku. When he asked to teach Deva Sota, the Buddha stopped. So about the Deva Sota, he will not improve. So the Buddha didn't teach. So at that time, he get angry to the Buddha. So yes, like that for some people. So if we teach, then so the teacher also will be tired. The disciple also will be sad. So if so, better not to that. Some people are possible to teach, but you need to give time. Yeah, first time you introduce little bit. Next time. So some people are like that. They have learned from the previous teacher, but they didn't understand. And when it comes to us, we explain, oh, after you teach, I understand. Before I don't understand. Sometimes not because of teacher, because of two times. Because of two times. So like that, some people need time. So need 2 or 3 times. Okay, so someone easy to know, someone not easy to know means 2 factors: have faith, have wisdom. So yeah, if you practice meditation, yeah, one thing need to have a faith. You need to believe the teaching. You need to believe what you are doing. Also, you need to be clear. You need to understand the explanation. If so, it is easy to know. Okay, time is up. We should stop here. Sharing merit. Repeat after me. Idame bonyam Nibbana-sa Sachayo Hodu Mama Bonya Bhagam Sava Satanam Vajemi Tesave Vesamam Bonya Bhagam Navandu Sa Sa Sa